In this video, I will be showing you how to create a title screen in Roblox Studio. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's James Hacks here, and today I'll be showing you how to create a title screen in Roblox Studio. So, first thing you want to do is load up Roblox Studio, and then you want to go to base plate. Wait for that to load. Okay, so once you're in here, you want to go to Starter GUI and you want to insert a screen GUI. And then in that you want to put a frame, and then you want to rescale this to be as big as possible so it fits your entire screen. Okay, now this is going to be the background for the GUI. Okay, so you want to insert an image label. And then if you want to, you make that the big, this is also going to be the background. So in here you can insert any picture you want for the background of the title screen. If you don't want a background and you just want it to be a plain color, then you can just change this color to like light blue and leave it like that. Once you've done that, inside the frame you want to insert a text button. And here you want to put it right in the middle. You can rescale it. I'm just going to quickly do some editing to make it look nice. Okay, so once you made it look all fancy and nice, you want to go and you want to insert another text label. Sorry, my bad. And then you want to put that at the top here. This is optional, by the way, this text label. And then you want to make that all fancy. Maybe you could say the name of your game. So whatever game you have, you could put the name here as a title screen. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do that. And then you want to make the background transparency 1. And then that will make it just say the text with the background on the back. And then what you can do, if you want, again this is optional, you can get an image label and place it here, and then maybe put the group or game logo or whatever you want on there. I'm not going to do that for now because it's too much hassle. Anyway, once you've got your text label, what you want to do is you want to insert a local script into here, and what you want to put in that local script, delete this bit, is basically follow what I do. Again, I'll paste this all in the description so you won't have to write anything out. Local screen equals script.Parent.Screen. Now what you want to do is you want to name this frame screen. So you want to go to here. You can either double click it like that, or you can go to here and click the name and name it screen. So once you've got that, new line, local play button equals screen.play. And then you want to name this button play. So these names are very important. If you don't name these, then it won't work. Play, like that. Okay, so that's got the variables sorted out. Now we're going to do the script. So PlayButton.Activated :connect brackets function, and then another brackets script.Parent.Screen :TweenPosition, and then udim2.new, and basically this is going to be where the title screen is going to go. So once you click this play button, the title screen is hopefully going to fly up and just sit there and go invisible, and that's pretty much it. So this is where you want your title screen to end up. So you want to add another bracket, and then 0, -0, -1, comma 0, and then after the brackets put another comma, space, in with a capital I, comma, space, oh no space, comma, Quart in quotation marks, and that's that line. And then you want to have a wait, so wait 1, and then script.Parent :: destroy. So let me run through this. These are variables, so that screen, basically script, the parent of the script, so that's screen GUI, and then PlayButton is the screen, so that's this, and then what's inside it, play, which is this. So the play button, which is this, once it's activated, which means once it's clicked, then the script parent, which is this, so, and then that's child, as we would say, screen, which is the frame, TweenPosition, which is the position that it's going to be, UDIM, which is again the position, and then these are the that's the position. So if you go down here, that's basically this, okay? And then these just some variables you have to put there or something. And then wait 1 second, and then script parent, so that's that, destroy. That basically gets rid of the GUI, so it won't be sitting up at the top of your screen for ages. Okay, so once you've got that, you can go in and we can test it out. Oh, I forgot something. So what you want to do is you need to get this plugin called Rescale, Rescale GUI. I'll put a link to this plugin in the description. So once you've got that plugin, you want to click on the screen, and then you basically just want to click it. And what this will do is this will make it the same size on every screen. So if we go on here, that frame is now the same size. You have to do that again for the play button and the text label. And then they'll be in the middle of the screen on all devices. Okay, let's play it again. Okay, so we're loaded in, and let's click play. There we go, and that's it. And then they can play your game. Thank you very much for watching. This was how to make a title screen in Roblox Studio. I hope you have a good day, and goodbye.